Good morning, students. Welcome to my channel Assimilate English with Sadaf. Today I am going to explain you lesson number 2, Grind by Sundareswaran C. from Unit 2. Before we start, let us first understand what is the meaning of grind. Grind means a tedious task or hard work or labor. So in this lesson, writer is telling us first consider what you want to achieve and then commit to it. Set SMART, that means S stands for specific, M stands for measurable, and A stands for attainable, R stands for relevant, and T stands for time-bound goals that motivates you, and write them down to make them feel tangible. Then plan the steps you must take to realize your goal and cross off each one as you work through them. Top level athlete, successful business people and achievers in all fields set goals. Setting goals gives you long-term vision and short-term motivation. It focuses your acquisition of knowledge and helps you to organize your time and your resources so that you can make the most of your life. By setting sharp, clearly defined goals, you can measure and take pride in achievement of those goals, and you will see forward progress in what might previously have seemed a long, pointless grind. You will also raise your self-confidence as you recognize your own ability and competence in achieving the goals that you have set. Legends embrace all kinds of uncertainty and difficulties at any given point of time. They don't choose according to their comfort zone. One must expand comfort zone by constantly stepping out of them as comfort zone skills productivity. And every successful person has gone through the negative thinking process that forced them to give up. But in order to become great, you need to practice grind mindset day in and day out. Grind mindset is pushing yourself forward even if your body is tired and can't do anymore. There are so many goal achievers and legends and role models for us to live our life as an ideal for the world. So, if you just glance towards their hard work, consistency and commitment expressed in their quotations and statement as follows. So, we'll see all the legends one by one stated in this lesson. So the very first legend in this lesson is legend Muhammad Ali.
Do you have a bodyguard? Do you have? You don't.
I got one bodyguard. He has no eyes, though he sees. He has no ears, though he hears. He remembers everything with the aid of mind and memory. When he wishes to create a thing, he just orders it to be and it comes into existence. But this order is not conveyed in words which takes a tongue to follow it or which sound carries ears. He hears the secrets of those under quiet thoughts. That's God all along. He's my bodyguard. He's your bodyguard. He's the supreme.
So that's Muhammad Ali. Boxing legend Muhammad Ali says that I don't count my sit-ups. I only start counting when it starts to pain. And that is what really counts. He thinks that there is no easy success and the famous overnight success does not exist for him. The next legend is Argentina star Lionel Messi. So before reading his quotation and his views about success, first let's see a small video on him.
Carried on playing football, but from losing vision to being scouted to play for England, it was like we were in a bit on a roller coaster ride, a bit of a whirlwind.
It means everything because I love it and I play all the time. I watch it.
And what football players do you admire then?
Messi.
¿verdad?
Yeah.
Te voy a poner el aparato, o el cam, el dispositivo, que te dirá en su momento quién tienes delante, ¿vale?
Leo Messi. Messi would love you to be a part of the Orcam Dream Team.
Wow.
And we would love you to accept this Orcam My Eye on behalf of Lionel Messi. There you go.
Thank you, Messi, for my Orcam My Eye.
It's just given him this whole new lease of independence, and it's just great to see.
The most exciting I've seen is when he facially recognised us for the first time. Once he programmed us in, he was like so excited. He was like, "Oh my god, I just saw you!" And you know that made our heart melt because it's, you know, we haven't heard that obviously for a good few years.
Come to Arsenal. If I was to meet Messi, I would tell him if he could play for Arsenal for a day or something, because that would be very helpful.
So that's Lionel Messi, the only man to win 4 times World Player of the Year and as an individual goal scorer than almost every player who came before him. Messi works very hard and practices a lot day in and day out. Messi always wanted to play professional football, so he made a lot of sacrifices to achieve his goal. He shows grind mindset while preparing for his game. He always put in extra efforts in order to grow fast. He experienced a lot of adversity in his life, but he always moved forward with positive attitude. More than any other of his numerous qualities, Messi is unique for his blend of intelligence and perspectiveness as both a creator and scorer of goals. This quality of Messi shows that success takes time. Success is a long-term process and it is not something that you can achieve overnight. So stop looking for shortcuts. The journey may not be easy, but reward will be worth it. So that's Lionel Messi. Next is Walter Edward Dandy. Walter Edward Dandy, an American neurosurgeon, was the first person to perform surgery in the brain. No one at that time thought this surgery would be possible, but Walter Dandy had a dream of giving people a second chance to live, and he was willing to start, so he went ahead with the surgery. His first 13 patients died. He went through all the blames, criticisms, and his own self-doubt, but Walter was a strong-minded person. In spite of the failures and ridicule, he went ahead with his attempt to find a cure, and finally he succeeded. Now he is proudly known as one of the 3 founding fathers of neurosurgery. So the legend is the one who refuses to give up to adversity and rises above it. So that's Walter Edward Dandy, an American neurosurgeon. Next is our Honorable former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was the 11th President of India. Before we read about him and his views on success and his views on grind mindset, let's see a small video of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
நம் பாசத்தை மகனே உன் முயற்சி எல்லாம் நாடுக்காக கொடுத்த ராஷ்டிர தலைவனை உன்களை போல அழக இனி யாராலும் முடியாது நீங்கள் தான் நாங்கள் வாழ்த்தும் இசைமான்
Where there is righteousness in the heart, where there is righteousness in the heart, there is beauty in the character. When there is beauty in the character, there is harmony in the home. When there is harmony in the home, there is harmony, there is an order in the nation. When there is order in the nation, there is peace in the world.
So that's APJ Abdul Kalam, our Honorable former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was born to a fisherman family in a small village near Rameshwaram. He studied in a small government school and used to distribute newspaper in his younger age. Went on to become a world-renowned nuclear scientist, making India a nuclear powerhouse and famously known for receiving a standing ovation for his speech at the EU, that means European Union Parliament. So do you think it must have been a walk in the park for him? From an ordinary boy from Rameshwaram to becoming a world-renowned scientist and the 11th President of India? No, I don't think so. Life is not the bed of roses. We all have to strive hard. We all have to work hard to achieve our goal. And as you all know that nothing is impossible, because the word impossible itself says that I am possible. So instead of crying over failure, you always have to solve your problem and search for the possibilities. Okay, so the next legend is Real Madrid star and Portugal football team's captain, the legendary Cristiano Ronaldo. So let's see a small video on him.
Para mí, quizás porque llevo tanto tiempo con él, y viéndole entrenar y poder ayudar a cada centro y celebrar con él los goles, ya sabes de qué hablo, ¿no? De Cristiano. Para mí, Cristiano ha sido el jugador más completo que he podido jugar.
Para mí solo se puede admirar un jugador de esta calidad. Los números hablan también por él y no sé qué decir más. Es un jugador tan bueno, tan fantástico que marca la historia del fútbol que es difícil de criticarlo.
I think for every player it would be great to play with a big player like Cristiano Ronaldo, but of course if he would come, it would be great.
Pas mentir, ça serait beau, ouais. Ça serait beau d'avoir l'un des meilleurs joueurs au monde jouer dans la Juventus, dans le même club voilà, que moi. Ça serait génial. Ce serait génial pour le club.
He's a player who has made himself. He become a machine. He become an athlete.
I thought it was very good to win one award, but to win it 5 times just goes to prove that he's one of the best players that have ever walked on this planet.
You can say a lot about Ronaldo. That's about hard work, but that dedication, being first in the dressing room, first in the gym, one of the last to leave, absolutely spot on.
Sinceramente disfrutar de este jugador que sin duda con Alfredo Di Stefano es el más importante en la historia de nuestro club.
So that's Real Madrid star and Portugal football team captain, the legendary Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo, the true legend who refuses to give up to adversity and rises above as the Real Madrid star and football legend. Though he was born and brought up in a very poor family, his determination and devotion and sacrifice was larger than any adversity and negative mindset. He practiced regularly and focused all his energy in improving his game and himself as well. He was so determined that he went on playing the match even if he received the messages about his father's death. Cristiano truly displayed grind mindset and inspired us to dream big and believe in our capacities, work hard and give 100% every time. So that's Cristiano Ronaldo. Lastly, I want to say something about a comfort zone that is being mentioned in this lesson. What is a comfort zone? Comfort zone is a place or a situation or a level where someone feels safe and at ease. In this zone, a person is in control of environment and experiences low level of stress. There is a little or no space for uncertainty in comfort zone. But legend embraces all kinds of uncertainty and difficulties at any given point of time. They don't choose according to their comfort zone. So, lastly, I want to say you that one must expand comfort zone by constantly stepping out of them, as comfort zone kills productivity. Thus, grind mindset is the commitment to practice, preparation, and put in extra efforts that it takes to accomplish your dream. So that is all about all the different legends and their opinion about success, and also writer has rightly explained their journey of success through hard work and lot of perseverance. I hope you have understood the lesson well and you will do well in the exam. All the very best. Thank you so much for listening to me.